Hi guys, Jumbo Cabela here, Beauty No Filter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply lashes on somebody else. I get this question a lot, especially from moms and dads around cheer competition and dance recital season, when the teachers and the coaches ask you guys to put lashes on your kids. I know putting on lashes can be very intimidating, it can be very tricky, so hopefully this video helps break it down and makes it easier for you to apply them on another person. I do have a separate video that covers the different types of tools, but in this video, I'm going to show you the tools that I like to use. Now, tools are not a one size fits all. It is very personal. What works for me is not necessarily going to work for you, so you can figure out what is your preferred tool, but I'm going to go over what tools I prefer to use. So starting with the tweezers, I like these. These are from Velour. I do have all of my tools linked down below. So the Velour, I like how long they are, how skinny they are. I can really get in there and be very precise with these tweezers. You can also use tweezers that you use to pluck your eyebrows, but again, these are the tweezers that I prefer to use. The other thing is the glue. I'm using in this video the Kiss Lash Adhesive in clear. It is latex free, so I don't have to worry about any latex allergies, and it is the brush. I like the brush. It's a little bit easier to apply the glue without making a mess, and I like to use it in clear. I use clear in this video because my daughter does not have any liner on. She does not have any dark shadow, so I need this to dry clear and look more natural for her. The other thing is scissors. You can use any scissors, but I prefer these. These are Velour, also linked down below. But these are nice and small and tiny and let me really get it in there and get a tight cut, whereas bigger, bulkier scissors like this, they're a little bit thicker, they're gonna take up more room, and I wanna make sure I only trim off the lashes I need to trim. You will see in this video, I do not trim the lashes, but it is recommended. I should have, but I didn't. All right, so these are the lashes I used in this video. These are the Demi Wispies. Let's see if I can show you these. Demi Wispies, they are more natural eyelash. These are better for a more natural look. They're lighter, they're not as heavy on the eye, so if it's somebody who is not comfortable wearing lashes, the Demi Wispies are always great. They're by Ardell, also linked below. When you are trimming the lashes, size it to your eye. When you need to trim it, in most cases you do, always trim from the longer end of the lash. You want to make sure that these shorter lashes that are on the inner eye, the center of the eye, stay there because you want that gradual lash length. Whereas if you cut that off, you lose some of that and then they don't look as natural. So anytime you have to trim the lashes, always trim from the outer end of the lash. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos on not only how to put makeup on yourself, but also how to put it on other people. I am a professional makeup artist. I do have clients, and applying things on somebody else is way different than applying it on yourself. When it comes to cheer and dance moms and dads, this YouTube channel will be really helpful for you. So make sure you subscribe. If you know somebody who might also appreciate this video, please be sure to share it with them. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you all soon. Ciao, Bellas.
Okay, so to start, I'm going to come into these Demi Wispies. Wispies are my favorite for people who don't wear lashes a lot because they just add enough volume and length that you can see them, but they're not too over dramatic. I'm coming in with the Kiss adhesive. This is the clear. You can also get it in black, but I prefer the clear here because she doesn't have an eyeliner on, so I want it to just look natural. Coming in with my favorite tweezers. These are from Velour. Any tweezers will work though. If you've got a pair that you use to pluck your brows, you feel free to use those. Some people don't even need tweezers. I'm not one of those people. I like to have tweezers to help me place the lash on her lid. First thing I'm going to do is size the lash to her lid and make sure it fits. Now, in all honesty, I should have trimmed her lashes here, but I didn't. I kept it the length it was. I'm applying the glue. You can see I have some old glue on it. I do reuse my lashes. You can just peel off any old glue if it's in the way, but make sure you focus on the ends of the lashes because that's where they tend to lift the most. So make sure you put enough glue on both ends of the lash. Now I have her close her eyes. I'm using my thumb again to lift her lid a little bit so I can get as close to the lash line as possible. The first spot that I have pressed against her lid is the center, and then I start to work on the outer and inner lash. I did let the glue get a little bit tacky for a few seconds, so they were much easier to place on her eyes. I have her open her eyes so I can see how they look, make sure I don't need to make any adjustments, and here I did have to make some adjustments. I'm pushing the lash down closer to her lash line so it looks more natural and there's not a gap between the fake lash and the real lashes. So this is what it looks like on the love bug. Yep, and here I can see the inner corner is lifted a little, so I'm going to come in and just press that down again, make sure that sticks. So there we go. All right, coming into the other lash, here I am putting the glue on again. Really concentrate on the ends, I can't stress that enough. And then make sure you let the lash sit for about 30 seconds to let that glue get tacky. Here you can see I'm just kind of blotting it on there. Again, her eyes closed. I'm using my thumb to lift her lid a little bit. The first touch is going to be in the center of the lid. Then I work on the inner and outer lid, just pressing it on. Have her open her eye. I want to see how it's sitting. And if you'll notice on her other eyelash, the glue has already dried and you cannot see the glue. Whereas you can see the white glue here on the lash I'm working with, it will dry clear, so don't panic. So here is the finished look. Natural, but it just definitely added a little bit of volume to her lashes and some length. Questions or comments, please post them below. Please tag somebody you think might find value in this video, but I hope you guys are having a great day. Ciao, Bellas.